Is it time for an oil change on your RZR Turbo? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. You'll want to start by running your machine for a few minutes to get the oil warmed up and running. We've already ran this one, so let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and remove the drain plug for your oil. Make sure to remove the one that's closer to the center of the machine. The one closer to the back is for your transmission. Right now we're going to change this one. Make sure to have an oil pan whenever you drain the oil. There will be a brass washer on the drain plug. Be sure not to lose this when draining the oil. While you have your drain plug out, see if there's any kind of metal shavings or anything on the drain plug. They'll usually collect there. This one looks good. Once the oil's done draining, reinstall the drain plug. Be sure to reinstall the brass washer as well. Next step is to remove your oil filter. If the oil filter is tight, you may need to use an oil filter wrench. Now we're going to replace this with a new Polaris oil filter. We're going to take a little bit of the fresh oil and dab around the outside of this O-ring so it seats perfectly. Now it's time to fill it up. Go ahead and remove your access panel. And you're ready to fill your machine up with oil. We're going to use 5W50 Polaris Full Synthetic Oil. You're going to use 2.5 quarts. Now you'll want to run your machine for about 30 seconds to allow your oil to cycle and check your oil levels. And we're good. And that's it. See you next time.